What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2020 Nissan Pathfinder. So taking a look at the Pathfinder's key fob, this button on top that's almost a full circle, that's going to be the remote start button. In order to use the remote start, I'm first going to lock the vehicle and then I'll hold that button down for a couple seconds, at least 2. Hold it down, at least 2 seconds. The vehicle will respond by starting. The Pathfinder will run for 10 minutes before automatically turning itself off if you don't get in and start it. If you want to extend the runtime an additional 10 minutes, you'll repeat that first previous step. Press the lock button and then hold that button down for a few seconds, at least 2. And when the lights flash, that indicates the runtime's been extended an additional 10 minutes. If you want to cancel the remote start at any point before you've gotten in the vehicle, you just hold that remote start button down for a couple seconds. In order to drive the vehicle, what we'll need to do is get in. And then even though the vehicle's already running, just as you normally would, press the brake in, press the stop start button, and now you're ready to drive as normal. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.